What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way.
In this episode, we discover why Iain's dinghy is running rough. There's a sea crate stuck in his air intake, and it's not the first time. Over the course of just a few days, he had not one, but 8 crates crawl into his dinghy or engine cowling.
This?
Yeah. How does it come off the front?
So you just lift up at the back. I can actually probably do it here. See if you can. It's gone to the same spot in the breather, I think.
Fuck, it is too.
Has it?
Yeah, it is.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like right in deep. You can't even see it when you open that up. You have to basically unscrew that to
Don't
get
want
it
it to get
out.
into here. Are you sure it's not in the actual outboard?
No.
Oh yeah, it's there.
See right there.
Careful, Brendan, please.
While the venom of the banded sea crate ranks amongst the most toxic in the world, they are fortunately very docile. Humans are rarely bitten, even in situations where the animal feels threatened, but it still pays to be cautious.
Oh, it's coming out. I think it's coming out. I think I saw its head. Yep. It's coming out. Oh. Please stay away.
Finally, we put a stop to this slippery situation and put some screens in the engine cowling to prevent their return. The next anchorage we check out in the Mentawais is called Shadows. It's a private island owned and operated by Mentawai local surfers. Shadow Mentawai Surf Club offers surfing trips and accommodation, and here's some of the resort guests heading out for a sesh. Brendo gets amongst it. And here comes Schnazi. And Broads is living his best life. We witness something pretty unique when we see the local dogs swimming across the channel at low tide to take themselves for a run. And Schnazi tries his best to wear out Charlize and Oscar by making them row around the island.
Up Shit's Creek with 2 paddles.
Dante, Will and Brody head out into their new backyard for a surf sesh. And if you ever wondered how spinner dolphins got their name, check this out.
Sarah and I have just come to shore. We're going to we met this lovely lady last night at a warung, and we've asked her if she'll teach us how to cook a chicken and beef rendang.
Or the bumbo.
The bumbo at least.
Bumbo.
So yeah, we're coming back in now. We're going to film it. She's going to show us how to do it because it's so bloody good. There's their little restaurant here. Her name's Susannah, so we'll see if she's here. Go on, knock. Hello. Okay? Okay. Hello. Hello. It's okay, you eat. Look at the view they've got from their little restaurant here. Bloody lovely, straight out over our boats. There's Excelsior. It's lovely. There's their little warung. Susannah, she's going to teach us how to cook a rendang. Bambu or rendang?
The sauce.
Huh?
The bambu's the sauce.
Bambu's
like
the
base,
sauce. Yeah, right.
The important bit.
Oh, we'll figure it out. Yeah, we're going to follow. Yeah? Oh, we're going next door. Good? Yeah, Padang? Yeah. I don't know. No, take them. Just do what they do. I'll do what I do. Yeah, no, that's fair enough. Sarah's just getting barefooted up the street. Bogan.
We were so honoured to be invited into Susannah's humble home to learn how to make bumbu, the recipe base for our favourite Indonesian cuisine, rendang.
Ini bumbu.
Bumbu, this is okay.
Ginger.
Yeah, ginger jahe.
Oh iya.
Yeah.
Ginger.
Yep.
Ini lengkuas.
Yep.
Apa nama ini? Garlic.
Garlic.
Ya,
Yes.
garlic, ya. Bawang merah.
Bawang merah. Yep.
Chili. Cabe.
Sabe.
Cabe.
Sabe. No wonder it's quite spicy.
Daun jeruk. Daun salam. Daun kuning.
Turmeric leaf.
Turmeric leaf.
The kaffir lime leaves.
Kaffir. Yep.
And then I don't know.
That's it.
Bay leaf?
Nama. Just
Daun salam.
daun salam.
Ya.
Daun salam.
Yeah.
Okay, I can. Bay leaf. Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Pakai serai.
Yep. Here's the little-
These are just a few of the spices Susannah uses in her bumbu, and in respect for her wishes, I cannot divulge all of the ingredients. Next, we are shown how to make coconut milk from scratch, or kelapa susu. Susannah heats the spices in the pan gently, while her sister milks the coconut. The coconut milk is then added to the pan and it is simmered gently until it thickens.
Look at
You
that.
reckon you can do this?
No.
Yes, you can.
No hope. We'll see the flavour in there already.
The chicken, or ayam as it's called in Indonesia, is fried off separately and then added to the bumbu to soak up the flavours. The longer this takes, the better the flavour.
Yeah?
Padang Minang ya.
Wow, so good. Bagus.
Iya. Bikinnya orang Minang.
It's
Iya.
it's amazing. Very good.
Yang bikin orang Minang itu.
Yeah, terima kasih. Thank you so much. Hi. Manana. Okay.
So good.
So good. So good.
So good.
So good. Right. Fry the chicken till it's golden. Put it on a little strainer. It's just the rest of it. Yeah. Susannah is the best.
Coba ini. Nyam-nyam.
Yeah? Eat it. Yeah, eat some. You have some. Okay, I'll call Iain. Hang on.
This rendang bumbu can be used with any meat, but if you're using beef, or sapi as it is known, we recommend slow cooking it over many hours in the sauce.
Yep.
And this is how it should look.
Yep. Oh my god. How good was that?
Oh, mantap.
Mantap. Hey. Road's still going.
Wait. I found it. They'll never stop. There's still food on the table.
What the hell? That's ridiculous. There's not much left.
Yum yum.
Some chilies,
Unreal.
Brody.
That is about as much chili as you can ever fucking get anyway.
Oh, I've just had a small amount and my face is on fire.
What do you think, Brides?
Shovel it in, mate.
Ayam bombo.
It's very nice.
Brody, they want to say hello to you, man. Brody.
Ya, sama-sama. Kamu ingat saya ya. Kamu ingat Susannah ya.
Charlize found a new home for her mermaid doll.
Sarah's made a friend for life.
Thank you so much for your hospitality, Mama Susannah. I will never forget you. Inspired by our cooking lesson, the captains decided it was time for a Rendang-Off.
Typical trip to the market.
So it was into town to get some ingredients. What could go wrong? Oh, here it is, kalapa. And the last all-important ingredient, kalapa susu.
That's more like
That's more sturdy, yeah.
While we were gone, the kids encountered a storm, and both of the catamarans dragged anchor.
Come out here and see this. Their boat's about to split us.
It was quick thinking on the boat kids' part, and they were able to save the day with fenders and then re-anchoring. This is just some of the footage Charlize took, but by the time we got back, the kids had lifted our anchor and Brody was driving Excelsior to a safer location. Iain climbed aboard to help out, but Brody was in charge and gave directions. It was a proud parent moment for all our boat families. Good on you, kids, and thanks for saving the day.
Okay, where are your fingers?
After all the commotion had calmed down, it was time to make the kalapa susu for the Great Rendang Cook-Off.
This is Sarah kneading it. You call it kneading it? What would you call it? Sponging it? Soaking it? Squeezing it? All the water out? Milk it. She's milking the coconut.
Then it was over to Brendan.
What are you doing there, love?
Peeling the little bitty onions, the purple onions for the bumbu. I'm trying the technique that Susannah was using with the Stanley knife. I think it's a good technique, I'm just not really good at it. I got to focus all this bloody ADD energy on something, haven't I?
Yep, peeling those little onions is a
May as
great
well
start.
be cooking and making everyone fat and happy.
Kalapa susu. I just like saying it.
What'd you
Yes.
do? Skipped it upon it. Go.
lamb. Yep. Llama.
So we've got chicken, fish, and beef.
Ooh, look at that.
Yes,
beef.
we got 2 beefs.
Open them up, let's see them. Ooh, the beef rendang, look at that one. A bit of rice in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
There you go.
Holy dooly. That looks bloody good. Righto.
Well done, boys.
Rendang family dinner. Let's do it.
Each of the rendangs had their own unique flavour, but they were all exceptionally tasty. Join us next time for another Brendo injury. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.